It's 2023, and we're still feeling the impact of the big FTX crash in late 2022. It was a huge problem for the world of cryptocurrency. On top of that, Bitcoin's value dropped by more than half during the same time. So now we're asking ourselves, is cryptocurrency about to face a really big crash? Stick around as we talk about some of the big problems that might make the crypto market even worse. Our first big concern revolves around Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and its ongoing clash with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The SEC has accused Binance of breaking the rules in a major way, listing a staggering 13 alleged violations of securities laws. Some of these violations are eerily similar to what happened during the FTX crash last November. According to the SEC, Binance and its CEO Changpeng Zhao did something quite audacious. They're accused of moving customer assets around as they pleased, essentially diverting them to another company called Sigma Chain. The SEC claims that Sigma Chain used tricky tactics to inflate Binance's trading numbers, making it look more successful than it might have been. But wait, there's more. Binance and Zhao are also alleged to have hidden the fact that they mixed billions of dollars of customer assets and sent them to another company called Merit Peak Limited. Yes, you guessed it. This company is also owned by Zhao. This situation bears a striking resemblance to what happened during the FTX crash, where customer assets seem to be flowing to a related company called Alameda Research. Surprisingly, these changes haven't exactly shocked people in the cryptocurrency world. Corey Clipston, the CEO of Swan Bitcoin, a rival trading platform, commented, "Nobody who works in this space will be surprised by any of these accusations." In the United States, the SEC is taking big steps to regulate cryptocurrencies. A major lawsuit against Ripple, accusing them of illegal securities transactions, shook up the crypto community. Even big exchanges like Coinbase and Binance are getting checked by the SEC. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler calls the crypto world a Wild West and says we need to protect investors. The Biden government is also getting involved to stop illegal crypto transactions. They're thinking about changing financial laws to include digital asset companies. They're also looking at decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens to stop shady activities in the crypto world. Here's something interesting. In the US, they might make a digital version of the US dollar called a CBDC. The head of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, thinks this could replace other cryptocurrencies and change how the crypto world works. Now let's see what other countries are doing about crypto rules. In China, they say cryptocurrencies are like property and they're making strict rules to control them. At the same time, they're pushing their own digital currency, the digital yuan. Canada, the UK, Japan, Australia, Singapore, South Korea, India, and Brazil all have different ideas about crypto rules. Japan says cryptocurrencies are like regular property, but other countries aren't so clear. They have different taxes, licenses, and some even ban certain private coins. It's a big mix of rules all around the world. In the European Union, crypto is usually okay, but each country has its own rules. They're making new rules, like Markets in Crypto Assets Regulation, MICA, to protect customers and make crypto businesses follow the same rules. The EU wants to keep an eye on how people use crypto and make sure it's safe. Spot trading, where people buy and sell cryptocurrencies right away, took a hit in August. It reached the lowest point since March 2019. Even derivatives trading, where people make bets on the future prices of cryptocurrencies, dropped to levels last seen in December 2022. The crypto market seems uninterested, and big problems like too much focus on holding and not enough buying and selling make it worse. But why is this happening? A few things are causing it. First, the market has been in a bad state for a while. Second, there's a lot of confusion about the rules and laws for cryptocurrencies, and that's scaring people away. Lastly, the overall economy isn't looking great, and that's making people less excited about investing in cryptocurrencies. A guy named Mike McGlone, who is the chief commodity expert at Bloomberg, says that if interest rates go up, basically if it costs more to borrow money, it might stop people from investing in cryptocurrencies even more. This would mean even less trading and less excitement. Another big problem is that most trading happens on just one exchange called Binance. This isn't good because if Binance falls, it could hurt the whole crypto world really badly. Imagine if a big bridge is the only way to cross a river, and if the bridge falls down, you can't get to the other side. That's kind of like what could happen if Binance has a problem. Just a few days ago, Mark Cuban, a rich investor and owner of the Dallas Mavericks basketball team, had a big problem. Some crooks managed to take about $900,000 worth of his cryptocurrencies from an account He wasn't using much. This got a lot of people worried because even famous folks like him can get in trouble with crypto. But Mark Cuban's situation is just one part of a bigger issue. A recent report from Certic, who are experts in keeping crypto safe, showed that in the second part of 2023, around 300 million in cryptocurrency got stolen by hackers and tricksters. That's a huge amount, and it happened 212 times. The report had another scary thing to say. While the total stolen by hackers went down by 58% compared to 2022, the money taken by sneaky exit scams went way up. In the second part of 2023, these exit scams took nearly $70 million, almost double what they took in the previous 3 months. That's really worrying for everyone who's into crypto. As time goes on, hackers are getting smarter and they change their tricks. The report showed that some of the tricks they used before, like flash loans and oracle tricks, aren't as popular now, but they're finding new ways to cause trouble in the crypto world. Now, considering all these problems, what might happen to cryptocurrencies in the next few months? It's clear that the crypto world is facing some big issues. The situation with Binance and the SEC is similar to what caused the FTX crash, making people wonder if they can trust what's happening. In these tricky times, crypto enthusiasts need to be careful. The big question is, can crypto get past these problems, or are we close to a big crash?